This video shows how to unbox and assemble a Xerox VersaLink B625 Multifunctional Printer. Cut and remove the bands and corner boards from outer box. Unlatch and remove the 4 plastic box locks. Lift and remove the outer box. Unwrap the printer and remove the product safety guide and power cord. Remove the packing materials from the printer and lift the printer out of the plastic bag. Remove the packing tapes from the top of the document feeder. Remove the protecting cover on the control panel. Remove all packing tapes from the doors of the printer. Open duplex automatic document feeder and remove the tapes. Open door A. Take the black toner cartridge out. Shake it 3 times to redistribute the toner, then place it on the table. Take the black imaging unit out. Shake it 3 times to redistribute the toner. Do not leave the imaging unit out of the printer for more than 10 minutes, and do not touch the imaging roller. Remove the shipping restraints from the black imaging unit. Insert the black imaging unit back into the printer. Insert the black toner cartridge back into the printer, then close door A. Remove the tray from the printer. To move out the length or width paper guides, pinch the guide locks, then slide out the length or width paper guides. Fan the paper and load the paper in the tray. Insert the tray back into the printer. The printer is now ready to power on.